Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a beginner, if you are learning how to crochet, okay, this video is for you guys. I will teach you how to do a knot and I will teach you how to make a chains. For the chains, either you can do 5 chains, 10 chains, or 20 chains and so on. Okay, let me show you guys. This is how I do my knot. If you have your own way to make a knot, just go ahead and use it. Okay, this is how I do my knot, like that. Put this under and I'm going to use my hook to pull this out here. Okay, now let me show you how to make a chain of 20. Okay, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 10, chain 11, chain 12, chain 13, chain 14, chain 15, chain 16, chain 17, chain 18, and chain 19 and 20. Okay, this is how the chains look like. Okay, that's how it looks like. All right. Okay, I know some of you guys, especially beginners, have a hard time following the written tutorial and you prefer to do the video tutorial. So I hope this video helps guys, and thank you so much for watching and see you for the next tutorial.